Hello, my name is Mark Budnick and welcome to an introduction to microcontrollers and the C programming language. I'm a 15-year veteran in the semiconductor industry and presently serve as the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department Chair at Valparaiso University. We have partnered with Texas Instruments to develop this hands-on, laboratory-focused experience to take you through a subset of our sophomore and junior level embedded systems courses. Step by step, we will answer the questions students ask, such as, what is a microcontroller? What is a program? What is a central processing unit? What is a watchdog timer? What is an interrupt? What is an analog to digital converter? What is a liquid crystal display? And finally, how do I put all of this stuff together? This course is meant for individuals who are not familiar with microcontrollers and or the C programming language. But any experience you have will help. For more knowledgeable individuals, we believe that this course will significantly shorten your learning curve for the TI MSP430 microcontroller family. Throughout the course, we will provide scores of examples showing you how to create your own C programs and Code Composer Studio projects. We have worked closely with Texas Instruments and Element 14 to create a laboratory kit featuring the TI MSP430 FR6989 Launchpad development platform. With this lab kit, we will show you how to use the most common microcontroller peripherals and provide you sample code to get these peripherals up and running. The course will use the same mixed mode format that we use in our lecture laboratories here at Valparaiso University. An emphasis is placed on enabling students to develop their skills by continually practicing with the tools that real developers use every day. Short videos will kick off each of the sections, followed by the step-by-step instructions to get you up and running. And if you have any questions along the way, our embedded systems team will be here to help. That's what we're here for, to make you successful. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.